Well, good Friday morning. Thanks for checking in for a look at that weather on the Ones forecast. Only here on Time Warner Cable News with a little patchy fog in the area, mainly north and west of Charlotte. Early this morning, we had those cooler temperatures in the low to mid 40s north and west of town. Otherwise, lows this morning, not all that terribly cold. Low to mid 50s around the Charlotte area, points east. Boy, talk about a warm Thanksgiving day yesterday. By the way, hope you all had a good day yesterday. Warming up through the low and mid 70s, 74 at Charlotte. That was just 1 degree shy of tying the record of 75. And notice the record high temp today is about 76 degrees. Some of us may not end up too far away from that here this afternoon, with upper 60s to lower 70s in the forecast. But you can see how that cooler air isn't too terribly far away, and we'll feel that starting tomorrow behind a mainly dry cold front heading in from the west by late today. So then we're back in the upper 50s to lower 60s, a little closer to the average of 59 through tomorrow, and especially on Sunday. Those temperatures come down a bit more, and then back up into the lower 60s as we get into early next week. Quick check of the air quality, still with a little more of that smoke blowing in with the southwest wind today out toward Cleveland County and west of y'all, northwest of y'all there in Gaston and Iredell County. That makes for poor air quality, obviously. So back in the code orange air quality action type conditions for sensitive groups. Again, that's north and west of Charlotte. Otherwise, around the Charlotte metro points east, the air quality not so bad in the code yellow moderate zone for today. And with that front, any rain with that? Well, this time around, it looks to come on through mainly dry. Shouldn't say this time around because it's been the case for most fronts crossing through the area. Even the one early yesterday didn't bring us a whole lot of rain out there. Maybe just a few sprinkles out toward Anson or Richmond County late this afternoon and evening. That is it. But you can see how even the cloud cover clears out behind the system overnight. And for the next couple of days, we'll just be looking at wall-to-wall sunshine. Lots of Carolina blue sky. But finally, some hope for some beneficial, much needed, obviously, rain coming in for next week. This would be, right now, it looks to be with the timing Tuesday through Wednesday and at least early Thursday, with that next front slowly heading in from the west and crossing over the region. A lot more moisture to work with, so we could be talking about just off and on periods of showers Tuesday through Wednesday and early Thursday, maybe a few heavier showers in spots, and the possibility even by late Wednesday of a couple of thunderstorms in the mix. Great news, obviously, where some of the wildfire conditions continue out towards southwestern North Carolina, and with the exceptional drought in place out that way. And even around here in the Piedmont, look at what we could be looking at here. Possible rainfall totals coming up. Again, this is for Tuesday heading into Wednesday and Thursday. 1 inch plus possible in the Piedmont here, and that's possible. We could see some higher totals, but maybe a little less. So these numbers not set in stone, but certainly about 2 to 3 plus inches possible. Those higher totals seem more off to the west and out toward the North Carolina high country. Quick check the tropics. We still have Otto out there, a tropical storm now finally starting to move away from southern Nicaragua and the northern part of Costa Rica. Still looking at some heavy rain, though, taking place in these areas, and it looks like that system will continue to head west out over the open waters of the Pacific Ocean over the next few days. So highs today, upper 60s to lower 70s, but then cooler for the weekend. We stay dry.